Good morning, students. We are studying the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? Last week we have discussed about pure matter. In that, we have taken two categories of pure matter. One was element and other was compound. I think you must be clear about both of these. Elements combine to make compounds, but it is important to note that when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio, they will make a compound. If they don't mix in fixed ratio and combine physically, then it will not be a compound or a pure substance. You must be thinking, then what we will call it? If two or more components combine physically, then it is known as a mixture. Let's make it more clear with an example. Iron and sulfur. These are two elements. We have to take iron powder along with some quantity of sulfur powder. When we mix two substances, we will get that there will be a mixture. But when these two, that is iron and sulfur, are mixed in fixed ratio, for example, if we take 10 gram of iron and 15 gram of sulfur, after mixing we heat them so that chemical reaction can take place. After this process, we will find that there will be a new substance with totally new set of properties. These properties are found only in compounds, which is a pure substance. Let's understand more about a mixture. Basically, mixture is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Take an example of solid state. Soil is such example. In soil, so many minerals and organic matter is found in solid state in such a way that the properties of each component, each mineral or organic matter will exist in that mixture. Take the example of liquid mixture. When we dissolve salt in water, after dissolving, we will find that only salty water, that is a liquid state, will be observed. We cannot see the solid phase in that. इसका कारण जानना चाहें तो हम समझ सकते हैं कि सॉल्ट के पार्टिकल इतने छोटे होते हैं कि ब्रेकडाउन होने के बाद वो पानी के इंटर पार्टिकल स्पेस में डिसअपीयर हो जाते हैं, जिसके कारण ओनली लिक्विड फेज को ही हम देख पाते हैं. टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ गैसेस मिक्सचर. यू ऑल नो एयर इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ गैसेस मिक्सचर. In air, there is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, such gases.